What's up, guys? It's Chris Braverman. Today we are taking a look at and reviewing my kids' Step 2 Mixin' Up Magic Kitchen. So this is not new. I purchased this, I believe it was back in 2013, but we've kept it in like new condition. As you can see, still very much intact. My kids did try to deface it a little bit with some graffiti and some stickers. Yes, they are little vandals, but I still love them because they are my children. But everything else pretty much, I'm just joking. Everything else pretty much is still beautiful, in beautiful condition. No wear, no tears, still in, like great, like new condition. Just some dust here and there, but everything else, like I said, pretty cool looking. Oh, another sticker here, Toy Story sticker, that's Lotso. I'm a hugger, right? So here it is, beautiful kitchen from Step 2. Step 2 cheap plug. So let's take a look at it. So some cabinets here with some glass windows there, so you can peep into it. So my kids, we store stuff in there, like of course accessories for the kitchen, things that we bought and things that did come with the kitchen itself. It's got the shutters. I love that, the shutters, so you can look out through the window and see a blank wall. Well, it's just there because I have it against the wall for now. And oh, look who's above the wall. Oh, it's my kids and Hulk Hogan, brother. But anyway, no, so we don't always keep it here. I just have it here for video purposes and because the lighting is beautiful. So, otherwise when we open the shutter, we see beautiful things. So we've got a holder here, which is a spinny holder thing. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it holds the condiments. So here we've got, that should be ketchup, but it looks like a salsa holder. I don't know what that is. Should be mayo, perhaps, or tartar sauce. Maybe that's the ketchup holder, this thing in the middle. I don't know, but it's cool. It holds condiments. Here we've got the microwave. You see the buttons on the microwave. And, I cook stuff here when I'm in a hurry, and I don't want to use the big microwave in the kitchen. I come to this kitchen here and I make things. I go beep, beep, boop, boop, beep, start. And, this soup thing here, that comes out normally. Oh, it's not in there right now. But normally that's what comes out and I eat it and I enjoy it. And I'm joking, of course. That's not real. Here we've got the fridge, the refrigerator. And no one get left behind with this Step 2 kitchen and the fridge. So that should be the freezer. And right now I'm freezing pans, of course, with eggs and lemons and corn. And we've got this thing here, fruit cocktail, bunch of stuff. We've got sardines and tuna and cookies and ice cream. That belongs in the fridge, but I don't know about the other stuff. Inside my fridge, so there's the ice maker, and also lets out water. It really does. Open up the fridge and so I've got chicken. I've got a pen top there. Got some brownies. I don't know what's in there. Some cupcakes in a cup. Wow, who thought of that? Got bread in here also. And some chips. Some chips that I want to refrigerate from time to time. And chicken. I'm really hungry. Let me just... Those yummy. Got a recycling bin here and a storage compartment for the recycling bin. And here my kids, they've got toys. Little Barbie train and Legos and John Cena wristband. You can't see him. Moving on over. So this is where my dog, she's resting right there. She's awake. Ruff, 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 ruff. She's real. That's not a fake dog. That's a real dog. Anyway, so she comes and she hangs out here. Here I've got her treats. And like I said, you may see some dust. I need to dust it a little. And I've got some water. That's where my dog eats. For real though. No, I'm just kidding. We've got some more storage bins, containers. This is where we keep our accessories. This one's empty because I let out a few things, sorry. And more glasses, we keep glasses in our kitchen. Here we've got the oven, cooking pizza. And they stole the pizza. These kids. And my son vandalized it. Zachary's shop, he took the pizza that I wanted to eat, that I was working on. The sink with Lotso there. And oftentimes when I turn the handles, water does come out. or I'm just joking. But it's a magic kitchen, so that's what you're supposed to do. It's created so that way it can inspire imagination, the usage of your imagination. So that's what I'm using right now. I'm using my imagination. Who would know? Grown man with 2 kids, and I still use my imagination, because why not? Who says you have to grow up? You don't. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Cheap plug again. Another storage bin here that came with the step-up kitchen. Something in there. Little holder for utensils. And then this is like my favorite, my bad boy here. You put batteries in it. I'm missing something here. You know, you put batteries inside them, and it makes the kitchen come to life. So what's gonna move? So let's put you in here. Is it you who moves? Should be you, no? Is it you? You just lit up. There you go. There you go. Come on. Something's going on with it. It's not fully functioning. Right now, it's making me look bad. Really, you're making me look bad. Yeah, but you're supposed to do more than just that. Come on. Don't play with me. I think you're like, well, my kids, they've beat it up quite a bit. So that's how comes like acting up. But it's supposed to do stuff. You saw that spinny thingy? There you go. Come on. I'm trying to make it work. Come on. You're making me embarrassed. You're embarrassing me. I'm trying to show the YouTube people that this works and what it's supposed to do. Because they want to see. So there you go. So they can buy it. All right. There you go! I made it move. So if yours is not as beat up as mine is, because my kids, they tend to beat stuff up, then it would work properly. I made it work. That's what it's supposed to do. And then you, can I try you? Do you work for this? Can you pop me corn? Pop some corn? Come on. I saw you trying to move. Come on. Just do it. I got lucky one time. Doesn't want me to get lucky again. No. So anyway, yeah, these it brings the kitchen to life. That's what it does when you put batteries inside of it. Oh. And it brings the kitchen to life. It makes sounds, has, you know, a bunch of cool things going on. And that's pretty much it. This is the Step 2 kitchen. It's awesome. It's available at Toys R Us. Bought it at Toys R Us for $200 back in 2013. A fortune, whatever I said. Still worth $200 at Toys R Us. Go pick it up. Please like this video. If you do like, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions, comments, anything like that. Subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Visit me on Instagram at Chris Braverman. And of course, visit my website, chrisbraverman.com, for so much more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.